Hello, good morning. How are we all doing today? I guess we are great. So today I will be sharing with you how to know the number of followers that are presently active on your Instagram account. That is knowing the numbers of followers, your customers on Instagram that are active, that are online presently. Doing this will enable you to know the best time for you to post so you can get more engagement. You can do this a couple of times in a day or even in a couple of days to know the best time when your followers are always online or are much more online for you to get more engagement. So this is very simple. Let's just go to our Instagram account. Let's go to our profile. Then we click on this plus button here. Click on the plus button. Then you click on live. You click on live. So this is it. This is where you will know the number of. Can you see? That's the number of my followers that are online. Very low. So if I want to post any content now, I would rather not post it and wait till when much more people are online. And of course, it's in the morning. So most of us that just wake up in the morning and decide to most of us that wake up in the morning and decide to post, let me quickly post this thing in the morning. At the end of the day, you realize you don't even have any engagement or much engagement. That is the reason. The reason is because when you posted it, very few of your followers or your customers are online. So I think with this now, you'll be able to know the best time for you to post your content on Instagram. I hope you've learned from this video. If yes, kindly share, subscribe to this YouTube channel and like my video. Thank you so much.